Ooh, welcome, man, welcome. Y'all see where I'm headed? I'm headed back to the used car department. What is going on? Whoa, look at this beauty here, guys. Dodge Ram. Whoa, look at the wheels on this thing. Ah, did they take the wheels, take these normal wheels off and put on the big wheels? Hey, that is nice. Y'all see that? Whoa. Hey, it's a used car?
Huh?
It's a used car for sale?
It's a pre-owned vehicle.
Pre-owned, what that mean?
Somebody owned it before we...
What's the wheels in the trunk, in the back come off the car and they put,
Yeah, they're for this.
oh, they going back on here?
Yeah, they go on this. The back, the wheels in the trunk, yeah, they go on this truck.
No, I'm saying, what's with the big wheels?
What big wheels?
The big wheels that's on it.
That's what he liked on it.
Huh?
That's what he liked on it. This is Chaz's brother's truck.
Oh. Yes, guys. Oh, 98,000 miles. So, I don't know. I guess they're not going to keep these. In order for us to put it on sale, I don't know if we can sell them with these wheels on it or not. Let's go over here, guys, to this, look at this Charger, guys. Oh, this looks sweet, don't it? What is this shiny piece of equipment I see on here? Cold air intake? Oh, man. So, does that mean it has no power because it's a V6? No, that's not what that means, guys. And plus, the cold air intake added some more something to it, okay? I'm no big fan of cold air intakes, but, you know, I don't want to kill the dreams of the aspiring fast V6 Pentastar engine go-getters. All right, but yeah, this is nice. I assume it's a used car. It's getting ready. Somebody traded it in. And y'all know what I bet? Oh, what are you gonna do with those wheels? Y'all know what I bet? I bet they traded in and got a V8. Yes, because V6 just not cutting it these days. These guys happy with their V6 up until they go to the track. Once they go to the track, they're not happy anymore. I'm telling you, I see it. I see it all the time. They happy. No, this deuces.
You got children over here.
It's deuces, man. You know what deuces mean? So they happy with a V6 until they go to the track.
That's JT.
All right.
That's
Hello.
JT. Well, hey. Hey, JT.
So look at the pretty red calipers and rotors. Nice. No, those didn't come off of that truck. Couldn't have. Could it? I'm more interested in this Charger. Man, Dodge need to step up their game on the instrument panel of these. Nothing fancy. You got to buy aftermarket stuff to make your center console fancy. I don't know, guys. So I hadn't been to the used car department in a while, so I finally decided. And back here is Dodge stuff. Now this is nice. Don't get me wrong. Look at that. That's a beauty. So if you're in the market for a V6 Dodge Charger that looked like a, it looked like a Phantom until a Phantom roll up. No, I'm kidding, guys. Now what's with this Ram? Is this Ram a trade-in? 1,500.
Hey, let me do an intro to your videos one day, man. Let me get a feature.
5.7 Hemi. I don't know if this is a trade-in or not. This might be a customer car, so you gotta be careful what you can tell. Yeah, it's a real license plate on there, so it's not. Now let's see, ain't no license plate on these, which means it's a used car, right? So guys, yeah, I had a guy ask me, why did I stop doing used cars? It's not that I stopped, I just ain't been back in a while. But I'll get y'all some more used car footage, man. Y'all know me, I'm aiming to please, man. Online Mechanic Tip channel is versatile. All over the place, right? So we talk about anything. Y'all remember that PT? I just checked that PT out. We can't fix it because there's no parts available. There's no most of the parts we need have been discontinued. Yes, discontinued. So what happens when that happens? We either get aftermarket parts. Now they don't want to really. We're not big fans of aftermarket parts unless we really have to. Like if the PT came in overheating and it needed a fan, Mopar don't make the fans for it no more. So we, explain to the customer we got to get an aftermarket new fan that offers a a pretty good warranty. I don't know what these shocks about. So yeah, that's what we have to do in that case. But ain't much going on in the used car department, guys. So what I'm gonna do is head back to the main shop. I don't know what these fellas doing. Hey, look at this, guys. I don't want to put this guy business on the street, but a lot of us was fooled when this car. I don't even think I'm not gonna put this car on the shop. Just to know, just to let you know, I'm not gonna show his car, but I will show you what he's working with under the hood. Okay, yes, it's a nice look like. Then when you pop the hood and you see this. Now, again, guys, I say this all the time: do not sleep on the Pentastar. All right, yes, it's not like built for super racing, but it carries its weight in the V6 category as far as load and torque. All right, so don't be clowning. Don't do that. All right, now remember we talked about this one, guys. Well, we're not gonna talk about that. So I got work to do. I don't know why I'm playing around with y'all. Y'all see my part here for the Jeep Wrangler. Where is it at? Y'all remember I did the watch this video right here. I already uploaded that video, but I had a large evap leak that was coming right here. Now I heard guys like Philly D and another guy commented that heat that melted. So now it becomes a matter of where did the heat come from that would melt something like this? Because guys, this cover sets like that. Now there's an exhaust right here that could potentially get hot with tailpipe, but how would that heat transfer up here? So the question remains, how the hell did this happen? My answer remains, I don't know. I just know I need to replace it so I will not be leaking vapors anymore and cause that check engine light to come on. Yes, this is a tube right here. Now could I have just replaced this tube? Probably not, because it's built onto this. Now guys, we become creative when we're not at certain places. If I was at Brothers Motors, yes guys, I will run a hose from here, this point to this point. But y'all know you can't do certain thing in a huge facility because you're easily lawsuit prone, guys. You can easily get sued. All right, so I got my jack right here, guys. Let me jack this down and get started with this. I got to finish this. I've been the part been sitting down here for a while now, so they're gonna start asking questions after a while. So I got work to do, man. I appreciate you guys watching, man. Y'all don't know how much I appreciate it. But let me get this tank dropped, and Jack already on deck, and I got work to do, guys. So thanks for watching, man. I'll get with y'all. See y'all next time.